Due to Pakistani army shelling, 16 people have lost their lives. And in that 16, there were 4 small children whose ages were less than 10 years. An imam of a masjid, Maulana, was killed in that firing. A Sikh Gurdwara was damaged. Their complete houses were damaged. People were lying injured on the roads. Now, one additional deputy collector, a civil servant, was assassinated in Rajouri. You are sending drones which are killing common people. They have damaged a hospital in Srinagar, a hospital in Jammu. This is what Pakistan has always been doing, and this is what Pakistan will continue to do.
Would you say that all religion in India are united and fighting the common enemy, which is Pakistan?
Definitely. This time around, the unity and the unanimity I'm seeing in our country against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism is tremendous. And all the tricks and all the deviousness which Pakistan possesses, which are trying to create differences, it will not work this time around. The country is united in ensuring that we must put an end to this Pakistan-sponsored terrorism in India.
Do you agree with the PM Modi's decision to eliminate terror at any cost?
Well, it is a challenge for our country. The country is headed by a prime minister, but we have to save the country. We have to save the people living in our country. We have to save children, women, everyone, the farmers. So it is high time that we put an end to this Pakistan-sponsored terrorism.
Western world has been reluctant to call Pahalgam attack as a terror attack. Your views?
It is most unfortunate. I mean, I'm perplexed, I'm shocked that how can you use words as militants or gunmen? These are people who came into India and they only shot people who were not Muslims. What would you call them? If a terrorist comes and asks you what is your religion, can you recite the holy kalima, which is an assertion of our faith, and they kill in the name of religion? So they are terrorists only. How can you have two rules? If something happens in their country, you call it a terror sponsored or a terrorist attack, but why not Pahalgam?
Sir, Pakistan has named its operation against India Hunayn al-Massouz, a team with deep religious connections.
See, they have used a Quranic verse of Surah Saf. That is, they have used verse number 4. But they have conveniently forgotten what in that same chapter, verse number 2 says. O believers, why do you say what you do not do? And then the verse which they have used in Quran, that is that you should unify and stand as a concrete structure. Can Pakistan tell the world why are they shooting at the Iranian checkpost? Why are they shooting at the Afghani checkpost? And why did they shoot the Bengalis in East Pakistan? Where was this word, Bunyanan Marsusan? Have they forgotten what they did in Bangladesh? Have they forgotten what they are doing to the Baluchis? Don't they remember Bunyanun Marsusan when you are shooting your own Baluchis over there? So it is really despicable that you use a verse of Quran of a particular chapter and you forget when Allah is saying how despicable it is the sight of Allah that you say what you do not do. This in itself is a clear proof of the hypocrisy which is practiced by the Pakistani army.